Ethnic NewsWatch contains the full text from over 340 newspapers, magazines, and scholarly journals from the ethnic and minority press dating back to the 1970s. The database also contains over 300,000 primary source articles dating back to 1959. The resources in Ethnic NewsWatch provide a perspective on issues from ethnic and racial minorities that are not found in mainstream scholarship or the corporately owned media. Ethnic NewsWatch is the preferred source if you are looking for alternative perspectives on a wide range of issues affecting ethnic and racial minorities. Ethnic NewsWatch contains newspapers, magazines, and scholarly journals from the African American, Caribbean, Hispanic Latino, Native American, Asian American, Arab American, Eastern European, Jewish, and multi-ethnic communities. Nearly a quarter of the articles in the database are presented in Spanish. If you wish to see the periodicals indexed by Ethnic NewsWatch, click on the View Title List link. By default, the database looks for all the terms you enter in the search box. This means that the database places a Boolean AND operator between each of the search terms unless you instruct it to search otherwise. To learn more about the search functions, consult the Search Tips menu and read the material located under the search heading. In this tutorial, I will locate articles that discuss the allegations that the FBI attempted to assassinate Louis Farrakhan and destroy or undermine the Nation of Islam. Farrakhan and the Nation of Islam were controversial figures in the 1980s and 1990s. There was much negative reporting about them in the mainstream and corporately owned media. I'm interested in reading what was written by the African American and other ethnic presses and journals. In developing searches on this topic, I will need to consider several things. First, the person Louis Farrakhan could be referred to in several ways in the database. He could be referred to by just his last name, Farrakhan, by his full name in proper order, Louis Farrakhan, or in reverse order, Farrakhan, Louis. Searching by each variation will produce different results. The FBI might also be referred to by using its proper name, the Federal Bureau of Investigation. I also must decide if I want to search for articles that contain both Louis Farrakhan and the Nation of Islam, or articles that contain only one of the terms. I will start with the most straightforward and least sophisticated search. I will simply enter the words Farrakhan and FBI. The search produces 402 results. There appear to be many promising articles on the first page of search results. But I am most likely missing articles because my search was both too narrow and at the same time did not include search terms that focus on articles that deal with the assassination charge. I will modify the search to both broaden the words searched for, as well as focus the search on articles that contain the words assassination, or destroy, or undermine. I will do the search as follows. The database locates 340 articles. As I look through the results, I see many useful items and a few that are not quite on topic. One thing to notice is that all the articles have either the word assassination or destroy or undermine somewhere in the article. The words can often appear quite far apart from the FBI, Farrakhan, or Nation of Islam. I might get even better results if I were to request that the database locate the words assassination or destroy or undermine within 10 words of Farrakhan or Nation of Islam. This will result in articles that discuss more directly the attempt to assassinate Farrakhan or undermine or destroy the Nation of Islam. I will modify the search as follows by replacing the last AND Boolean operator with the near proximity operator, like this. I now get 80 results. Most all the results look promising. To view the full text of the articles, I can either click on the title of the article or the full text link. To learn how to use the various options located on the article page, watch the Basic and Advanced ProQuest Search Interface tutorials. This ends the Searching Ethnic News Watch tutorial.